Do you want to know how you can fix your loss limit on Unibet? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix the loss limit on Unibet. Go ahead and open unibet.co.uk on any browser and then click on your account after you have logged into it and go to account. After you click on account, what you need to do is search for Safer Gambling, which is over here. Click on it once and you can see the loss limit over here. Go ahead and click on it too. Then it will lead you to this page where you can keep the loss limit. So this limit allows you to control how much money you can lose on a particular product or across our site every day, week or month. Once reached, you won't be able to place a bet until the limit period comes to an end. So you can see that you can set your frame over here. The options are daily, weekly and monthly. Go ahead and click add limit and enter an amount over here and click add a daily limit. And this way you can see that your limit has been kept and your loss limits will be limited. So guys, this is how you limit your loss or how you keep your loss limits on Unibet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.